Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, equipped with a 2.7-liter turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, as well as a power sliding sunroof, Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, Multimatic spool valve dampers, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black and gray interior with paneling coupled to storage in the bottom next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors your windows with your seat memory and chrome accent handle. Here we're going to have these leather heated and ventilated seats, that two-tone finish, super comfortable. And on the left side will be your vents with trailer brake controller at the bottom there. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control and forward collision alert, and the right side being your voice recognition, heated steering wheel, and odometer screen switch. And it switches through your Google Maps as well as your compass, pitch and roll, and just your simple design. It's going to be push to start. And onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access trailering as well as vehicle status here, and that's going to give you all the information on the truck with a super fast screen, tires, brakes, fluids, and filters, all that fun stuff, as well as G-force, with access to your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and air down mode, which lets you manually deflate your tires for going over rocky terrain. Climate controls on the bottom there with your rear and center locking diffs, as well as auto stop, lane keep assist, and auxiliary power with 2 USB ports and a wireless charger pad. Of course, center console with your mode selector and 2 and 4 wheel. Center console there, and passenger side same finish. The yellow seat belts, ZR2 badging speakers up top, Bose sound system with your reading lamps, as well as OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're getting 17-inch machined aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory mud tires there with the black mirror caps. You got the black hood scoop there. Paint match keyless entry door handles. You got the rocker rails as well with the ZR2 badging. Spool valve dampers with the black bumpers, as well as the Intu's tonneau cover with AC wall port and around your bed tie down, so the spray and bed liner. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, cup holder storage next to speaker, power window with chrome accent. Pop up here. Quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear cup holders, rear vents, and USB ports with an AC wall port at the bottom there. There's a cup holder and armrest right in the center. Seats fold up for more storage. A manual rear sliding window with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, equipped with a 2.7-liter turbo engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, spool valve dampers, rocker rails, tonneau cover, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.